Ever pondered what a vector is and why it's so vital in different fields? Well, wonder no more. A vector is a quantity possessing both magnitude and direction. Picture an arrow. The length of the arrow symbolizes the magnitude of the vector, while the direction the arrow points towards is the direction of the vector. Vectors find their use in a plethora of areas like mathematics, physics, and engineering. Whether it's describing an object's motion, the forces acting on an object, or even the electric and magnetic fields, vectors are your go-to tool. Now you might be thinking, what sets a vector apart from a scalar? Well, that's a great question. Scalars are quantities that only have magnitude. Speed, mass, temperature, volume, density, these are all examples of scalars. They lack the directional component that vectors possess. Vectors are not just different, they're versatile. They can be added, subtracted, multiplied, and even divided by other vectors or scalars. The beauty of these operations is that they preserve the magnitude and direction of the vectors. But vectors aren't only confined to the realms of hard science. They have made their mark in the world of computer graphics, where they represent points, lines, and polygons. This allows computers to render 3D images and scenes with efficiency, even in the field of natural language processing. Vectors have carved out a niche. They represent words and phrases learned from vast amounts of text. These vectors become the workhorses for tasks like word similarity, sentiment analysis, and machine translation. To summarize, vectors are an influential tool that can represent and manipulate quantities across a wide array of fields. They have both magnitude and direction, unlike scalars, which only possess magnitude. Vectors can be operated upon, preserving their inherent properties, and they are used in diverse sectors, from hard sciences to computer graphics and natural language processing. So the next time you come across a vector, remember, it's more than just an arrow. It's a fundamental tool that shapes our understanding of the world around us.